Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Will Kit is probably one of the most important tools for anyone looking to secure their legacy. It simplifies the often daunting process of estate planning. This video will break down everything you need to know about will kits, from what they are, how they work, and whether they're the right choice for you. We'll explore the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. USA Legal Forms Family Law Planning Kit. This kit includes essential legal forms for family planning. It contains forms for your last will and testament, healthcare directive, and power of attorney. The kit provides 2 blank USA legal forms for each area. You'll find forms for your will, healthcare decisions, and assigning power of attorney. Each form includes a quick reference guide. Included are 2 4-page laminated legal guides. One covers family law, and the other focuses on wills and trusts. These guides offer helpful information. This kit is perfect for those who want to clearly express their wishes. It helps you document your will, healthcare preferences, and assign someone to manage your affairs if needed. These legal forms are valid in every state. You can save money on legal fees by using this kit to clearly outline your intentions. It is a convenient and comprehensive solution. What we like. This kit provides you with all the necessary legal forms, including a last will and testament, power of attorney, and healthcare directive. It also includes laminated reference guides to help you complete the forms accurately. If you want to ensure your intentions are clearly documented and legally sound, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This product gave me all the information I needed, it was easy to use, and great value. The forms for last will and testament and living will are exactly as described and easy to use. I liked that it had all the info we needed to fill out the forms correctly. Number 4. End of Life Planner, Peace of Mind B5. This comprehensive workbook ensures your loved ones have everything they need. It includes 16 organized sections to record essential information, reducing stress during difficult times. This planner helps with legal, medical, financial, and final wishes. This book features pre-printed prompts to guide you. It helps you document medical details, will instructions, and more. It ensures nothing important is overlooked in your planning. Designed for convenience, this organizer is B5 size and lays flat for easy writing. The spiral-bound format makes it simple to fill out. The vegan hardcover and thick paper keep your documents safe. This legacy planner serves as an end-of-life checklist. It helps families organize advance directives and personal messages. It provides peace of mind knowing all affairs are in order. This planner is perfect for those needing a structured way to manage important documents. It's a must-have for long-term care planning. It is a thoughtful gift for anyone needing to organize their affairs. What we like. This planner is a comprehensive workbook designed to help you organize all essential information for your loved ones. It includes guided prompts to document medical details, will instructions, and final wishes. If you are looking for a structured way to manage your estate planning and provide peace of mind, this planner is perfect for you. What people say. This planner offers so much more than other ones I've compared. Page 3 has an entry how to unlock my phone, so you can leave instructions. Didn't cross my mind that this would be needed. 16 sections covered over 100 pages, it's well constructed, large size, spiral bound, lays flat, thick paper. I also like that it has room to include legal papers. This is such a well-made, sturdy, easy to use planner. The cover is hard-bound and the spiral binding makes it easy to use. You can also download a PDF and front out extra pages as needed. This planner has everything you need to prepare for end of life. An all-in-one place to record your information to make it easier for your loved ones. Number 3. Peace of Mind Planner, Your Belongings, Affairs, and Wishes. Are you looking for a way to organize your important information? This planner is designed to help you keep track of everything in one place. It's the perfect tool for managing your belongings, business affairs, and personal wishes. This planner allows you to document all your essential details. You can record everything from your assets to your final wishes. It ensures that your important information is accessible when needed. Keep track of your valuable possessions. This section helps you list your assets, making it easier to manage and protect them. It provides a clear overview of what you own. Organize your business-related information. This part helps you document key contacts, accounts, and other important details. It is designed to simplify your business management. Ensure your wishes are known and followed. This section allows you to record your preferences for the future. It provides peace of mind knowing your desires will be considered. Take control of your important information with this planner. It is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to organize their life. Get yours today and start planning for peace of mind. What we like. This planner helps you organize important information about your belongings, business affairs, and wishes. It's designed to provide clarity and direction for your loved ones. If you want to ensure your affairs are in order and your wishes are known, this planner is a great choice. What people say. Great way to let family know your wishes, location of important documents, etc. Well-designed and simple concept. It's a tool to be used during difficult times. Nice to have things in all one place. Number 2. DIY Will Kit, Multi. Are you looking for a simple way to create your will? This kit provides all the necessary documents and instructions. It makes the process straightforward and accessible. The kit includes customizable templates. You can tailor them to your specific needs and circumstances. It's designed to be user-friendly and easy to adapt. Follow the step-by-step instructions to complete your will. The kit guides you through each section. It ensures you understand every aspect of the process. Ensure your will is legally sound and valid. This kit helps you create a document that meets all legal requirements. It gives you peace of mind knowing your wishes will be followed. Protect your assets and provide for your loved ones. This kit empowers you to take control of your estate planning. It's a practical solution for securing your future. What we like. This is a DIY will kit. If you are looking for a simple and straightforward way to create your will, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Clear and easy to use. Very detailed and easy to use. Pretty simple to do. Number 1. DIY Legal Will Kit, Attorney Prepared. This do-it-yourself legal will kit is a simple way to create your will. It comes with everything you need in one set, with no printing or downloading required. It's prepared by an attorney. The kit includes 10 pages of legal will forms. You can easily write your own will, keeping it straightforward and easy to understand. It's designed to be user-friendly. This comprehensive package provides step-by-step guidance. It also includes 3 addendum forms to provide more details about your children, specific requests, and pets. It helps you cover all the important aspects. Without a will, the court decides who inherits your estate and becomes your minor children's guardian. This kit ensures you have control over your wishes. It's important for peace of mind. This kit provides a legally binding will prepared by an attorney for all 50 states. It's a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Once completed, you'll have a legally binding will. If you're in Louisiana, the affidavit form is specifically for your state and needs to be notarized to create a legal will. Make sure you follow the specific instructions for your location. This is important for the will's validity. What we like. This kit provides a legally binding will prepared by an attorney, with step-by-step guidance. It is a comprehensive package with will forms and additional addendum forms. If you want a legally sound will without the hassle of printing or downloading, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Very easy to do. Having peace of mind knowing that this last will and testament will stand up in any court when I'm no longer here, and your last wishes will be fulfilled without any arguments. I highly recommend this last will and testament to anybody. It's very easy to do, just follow the instructions. That's the reason why I'm giving it 5 stars. It's worth the price of getting it and your peace of mind that comes with it. This was so easy to use. You cannot go wrong with this purchase. It will save a lot of grief when you or your loved one passes. Very specific and cut and dry. It took less than 10 minutes to do. I highly recommend this kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.